So, ayun po, I'm back again and again and again. So, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng video at ang gagawin nating video ay walang iba kundi what a 19 years old usually do in her life. Bago ang lahat, click muna ang like and subscribe button para notified ka palagi pag may bago tayong video. Salamat! May kita niyo po, nakagising lang ng Reyna Jar. Kagising ko lang and it's 6:11 a.m. Actually, I turned our clock into 5 minutes advance for a month ago para hindi lahat kami natataranta kapag may gagawin o may lakad na kung late na ba kami, etc. Naglalakad na ako sa paborito kong spot sa bahay. And yun, I brush my teeth, then do affirmations after. I can't make it in the video. May kita niyo po kung gaano ako kasabog pag umaga. Ba't ganito? Tulala ka. Laugh trip. Magsa-7 na. Ayun, ba't nasayaw ka dyan? Alam ko na. Alam ko, inaantok pa ako nito, kaya kailangan maging hyper para magising. So, nabalitaan ko na pasukan na namin ngayon after almost 1 month sem break. Nag-iinit din ako ng tubig lagi para inumin bago kumain ng kahit ano sa umaga. I just knew this tip from my doctor and some dope life coaches online. Doc Iris Radev, Adi Devlukia, G. Shetty. It helps detox and cleanse the channels in the body. Sana matry nyo rin. Okay siya. I tried this last year pa, 6 months ago. This is it. Ito na yung mga tutupiing mga damit mamaya. This is the time I usually went outside to get sunlight. Mahalaga din yun and I'm happy na nagagawa ko na siya. Dati lagi akong nasa loob, umulan, uminit, bumagyo. Ang kulit ni Kaoru, oh by the way, I get his name from an anime I watched before. Aha, kinakausap ko lang siya dito na tara na, magpainit na tayo. Ang kulit sobra. O diba, iba talaga ang sunlight na kapag isip-isip ka at reflect, gaya ni Kaoru C. Ito na rin yung oras na nalaman namin na extended ang bakasyon. Nagutom ako, kain muna ako sabayan niyo ako. Tapos ko nang hugasan mga pinagkainan at ito, tinatanggal ko na yung oil at dumi sa stove. I took a bath. Naalala ko parang dati lang hapon na ako maligo at very unproductive nung. I'm going out. I have a personal errand to do. Sinasabi ko lang dito sa video is, yeah, I decided to run some errands today, so I'm off to somewhere. Maaga ako natapos sa nilakad ko, so nag-decide ako na ituloy ang pagdalaw ko sa tindahan ng tito ko. Pauwi na ako ng bahay, medyo napasarap kwentuhan at kamustahan namin ng tito ko. Sinasabi ko lang dito na pauwi na ako and may dala-dala akong tinapay na makain namin pag nakauwi na ako. Sinabi ko rin dito na Spanish bread, crinkles yung dala ko at yung isa pa na di ko alam tawag basta masarap. Nakauwi na ako, yay! Sakto dumating din si Kuya Tinito at sabay kaming kumain ng mga binili ko. 2 araw nang hindi maayos ang waking up time ko. Nagluto ako ng itlog para sa agahan. Start na ng freedom ko, char. Ito na yung time na pwede ako sumaglit lang sa social media. Check the world. And syempre, check my emails and stuff. Madalas inaabot ako dito ng 4 to 5 hours in total. Life without music is very meaningless. Ang comfy talaga at sarap sa feeling pag may music habang busy ka. So what do you eat during your group research? Konting practice at pagsulat ng kadugtong ng kanta. Inaantok na ako, alam kong pagod na yung katawan ko buong araw. Alam kong di pa tapos yung mga dapat kong gawin ngayong araw, kaya patuloy pa rin. Ito na yung time na pagbabasa ko. Let's procrastinate! Goal ko lang dito ay to sweat to boost my mood everyday at syempre umaba pa ang buhay. Ito na yung time of my freedom again, char. Ito yung time na busy ulit ako for many hours. So, it's Ash Wednesday today. Kakauwi ko lang. Kakaiba ang Ash Wednesday this year. Kung dati sa noon, nilalagay ang uling, ngayon sa ulo na ilalagay. Sabi rin ni Father kanina sa homily na tuwing araw ng Abo at Good Friday ay nagpa-fasting tayo. 18 years old to 59 years old ang mga kasali. Kung may sakit ka daw, exempted ka. Mahalaga din na mayroon tayong bagong natututunan sa buhay. Hindi lang sa school or work umiikot ang oras natin. Learn new skills, learn new habits, be consistent. Almost mag 11 PM na kami natapos. Goodbye sleeping schedule.
Thank you very much everyone. Hopefully nasulit naman para sa inyong oras and
Getting sunlight and hot water muna tayo. Try to meditate 20 to 30 minutes every day. Meditation helps me to be more focused and positive, clear my thoughts, make decisions, and also make me feel calm, still, and happier. Additionally, it removes my fear. Worry less, give me a peace of mind. It makes me a bad person. You know why? Try it. The sweat process. Exercising improve our mood and decrease feelings of depression, anxiety, and stress. It also helps us to lose weight kung gusto nyo yun. Nakaka-boost din ito ng energy natin at para sa mga older adults, it also protects their mental function. To make it short, exercise have so many benefits to us. It makes us feel happier too and sleep better. So for those who suffer insomnia, do this. It's one of my habits to sweat every day. I took 20 to 30 minutes every morning for this. Keep learning new every day. Go, go, go! Rewarding myself is my favorite days every month. You should too. Tip lang na may 5 hours para ma-discover mo yung life purpose mo. 1 is reason, 2 is research, 3 is repetition, 4 is responsibility, 5 is rewarding yourself. Pwedeng libro, certificate, ice cream, o anumang trip mo. This is my day 1 workshop with Jay Shetty. Building a habit. Actually, replay na lang ito kasi February 3 to 7 ito nangyari. This usually ends after an hour.
South Africa as well. Amy from Ghana and London. This is insane. Now, I want to thank you all for investing in this 5-day challenge with your time, with your energy, with your presence. And I want you to place your left hand on your heart right now. Actually, your right hand. Let's do your right hand. Place your right hand on your heart right now, all 10,000 of you. And say this with confidence. I'm exactly where I need to be. Okay, this time I need you to say it again, but I need you to really mean it. I'm exactly where I need to be. Go.
Bago kami magsimula ay nag-meditate muna kami to be at peace, calm, and still. The best. Ayun, may mga sinending workbook sa amin and sinasagutan namin during the session.
Randomness creates more growth.
Seriously, you need to upgrade your mindset. Read new books, meet new people, switch it up. You have this whole life to live. Don't spend it in a box. Go out of your comfort zone and don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Journaling. Napakahalaga nito. This is like your progress. How you track yourself. How will you help understand yourself better and make improvements? Para sa akin, ito yung pinaka-best sa lahat. Pinaka-gusto ko ring habit kumpara sa iba kong daily habits. Taking care of you is a privilege. Gotta go! You take care. Don't forget to close all the tabs in your mind before you sleep. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe kung may napulot kayong aral dito at nakatulong sa inyo. Dislike naman kung wala. Comment below kung bakit wala. Bye!